color, kind of pale, but then I wanted something more with the green. I love green, and I kind of want to have like a beachy vibe. So Midori, I'm leaning more towards Midori. Dang, did I really get paint? Yeah, I got paint. Midori. So I'm in between these two colors to paint the shutters for like a beach vibe. So Midori and Reviving Green. Then the next one is Starfruit, which is almost kind of similar to the green papaya. They all kind of look kind of the same. And then my husband likes the Tonic. And then he's like, well, either the Tonic or the Midori or Tonic. Midori or Tonic. Y'all, let me know. So we're not even put that one in anymore. 1, 2, 3, or 4. What color would you choose for a beachy vibe to paint your outdoor shutters? Like, what color would you choose? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know.